Namaste. This is the first edition of the Ayurveda video newsletter. In the first Ayurveda video newsletter, you find information about the benefit of yoga for detoxification and tips how you can take care of your own body needs and well-being. Enjoy the newsletter.
Hi, I am Jharna Jain. I am a yoga instructor and I have done my yoga course from Paramanand Institute of Yoga Sciences and Research. So today we are going to be talking about detox. What is detox? Why do we need detox? What are the benefits of detox? And how yoga asanas help in detoxification of the body. So basically detox is made up of two words. D means removal and tox means toxins. So the removal of toxins from our body is called detox. Due to the changing lifestyle like lack of sleep, lack of exercise, eating junk food, air pollution, it has become very important to detoxify our body. The toxins in our body can produce various diseases like constipation, heart diseases, blockages, kidney stones, diabetes, etc. Now, how yoga asana helps in detoxification of the body. When we practice yoga daily, impurities like carbon dioxide, lactic acid gets eliminated from the body. Basically, yoga helps in bettering the digestion, and the better the digestion, the better and faster toxins will move out of the system. Generally, any yoga routine with inversions, back bends, forward bends and pranayamas will help in daily detoxification of the body. Few of the asanas that will help in detoxification of the body are Paschimottanasana, Trikonasana, Setubandhasana, Pavanmuktasana and Ushtrasana. And the pranayamas are Kapalbhati and Bhastrika. Namaste.
Hello guys, today I am going to give a review about the Ayurveda yoga platform. As a user, I am very happy and very satisfied. I am following the yoga classes which is provided by the Ayurveda yoga platform, and the trainers are the well certified. Even you can see the certificate on their site also. As of now, I'm using the yoga poses for the detoxification, and within a 6 month I can see my skin is started glowing again, and my mind and my body feels relaxed all the day. I'm so glad that I found this yoga platform which changed my life for the better. I hope it helps you also. The best part of this yoga is that, like, if you're traveling anywhere, you just need your mobile and on your laptop and you can do your yoga anywhere, which is very helpful thing, I think. And the trainers are very good. Even if you have any query, any question, you can ask them directly and they will give you best advice. Thank you so much.
Super easy to detox your body only in 10 days. Helpful Yoga Asana, printable PDF format, fully readable on desktop, mobile and laptop. This book is available only as ebook. It can be purchased directly from www.onlyvedayoga.com and Google Bookstore.
How to make ginger detox tea? Ingredients: half inch ginger, 5 to 6 cup water. Step 1. Boil 5 to 6 cups of water and add peeled and grinded ginger. Step 2. Cover the lid and allow the water to boil for some minutes. Once the water starts reducing, turn off the flame and add 1 tablespoon green tea. Allow the tea 1 and 2 minutes to brew. Step 3. Strain the tea and add lemon slices. Tea is ready. Enjoy. How to make lemon water? Ingredients: 4 to 5 slices a lemon, 5 to 6 cup water. Add 2 cups lukewarm water and use it as your first drink in the morning, and you may drink this lemon water around the day, also as much you like. Purpose of this quiz: to gain knowledge of yoga with fun. If you like to play more quiz, to go to website www.onlyvedayoga.com. You can play and boost your knowledge. Which of these correct yoga pose is related to this creature? A, B, C. For the correct answer, please watch our next newsletter.
What is yoga? Yoga is a physical, mental, and spiritual practice that originated in ancient India. First codified by the sage Patanjali in his Yoga Sutras around 400 CE. The practice was in fact handed down from teacher to student long before this text arose. Traditionally, this was a one-to-one transmission, but since yoga became popular in the West in the 20th century, group classes have become the norm. The word yoga is derived from the Sanskrit root yuj, meaning to yoke or to unite. The practice aims to create union between body, mind, and spirit, as well as between the individual self and universal consciousness. Such a union tends to neutralize ego-driven thoughts and behaviors, creating a sense of spiritual awakening. Yoga has been practiced for thousands of years, and whilst many different interpretations and styles have been developed, most tend to agree that the goal of yoga is to achieve liberation from suffering. Although each school or tradition of yoga has its own emphasis and practices, most focus on bringing together body, mind, and breath as a means of altering energy or shifting consciousness.
Thank you for watching Alliveda Yoga newsletter www.alliveda.yoga.com.